Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the keywords in Java. Basically, Java keywords are also known as resolved words. Keywords are particular words that act as a key to a code. These are predefined words by Java, so they cannot be used as a variable or object or class name in Java. Now we will discuss about the some keywords. The abstract is a keyword. Java abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. An abstract class can provide the implementation of the interface. It can have the abstract and non-abstract methods. Then the boolean Java boolean keyword is used to declare a variable as a boolean type. Then we will discuss the break. Java break keywords are used to break the loop or switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program and specifies the condition. Then the byte. Java byte keyword is used as a declare variable that can hold 8-bit data value. Then we will discuss about the catch. Java catch keyword is used to catch the exceptions generated by try statements. It must be used after the try block code. Then the char. Java char keyword is used to declare a variable that can store unsigned 16-bit character. Then the class. Java class keyword is used to declare a class. So then the continue. Java continue keyword is used to continue the loop. It continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code at the specified condition. Then the default. Java default keyword is used to specify the default block of code in which a statement. Then the do. Java do keyword is used to control statement to declare a loop. Then the double. Java double keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 64-bit floating point number. Then we will discuss the enum keyword. Basically, Java enum keyword is used to define a fixed set of constant. Enum constructor are always private or default. Extend. Java extend keyword is used to indicate that a class derived from another class or interface. Then the finally. Basically, the Java finally keyword indicate a block of code in Java to try or catch structure. This block is always executed whether an exception is handled or not. Then the float keyword. Basically, Java float keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold the size is 32-bit floating point number. Then the for. Java for keyword is used to start a for loop. It is used to execute a set of instructions functions repeatedly when some condition becomes true. If the number of iteration is fixed, then it is recommended to use for a for loop. Then the if statement. Java if is a test condition. It is used to execute some conditional statements. Then the Java import. Basically, Java import keyword make classes and interfaces available and accessible to the current source code. Then the instance of. Java instance of keyword is used to test whether the object is an instance of the specified class or implementation or interface. These are all about the discussion of some keywords. Thank you.